What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can transfer Bitcoin from Binance to another Binance account. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, is to get the Bitcoin wallet address from the person that you are trying to send the Bitcoin to. So this person needs to go to their Binance account, and they need to click on wallet, so that they can send you this Bitcoin wallet address. And then I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can send the Bitcoin to this person. So this person, like I said, needs to go to their Binance account. You need to click on wallet and fiat and spot, and you need to scroll down and you need to find Bitcoin in this list. As you can see, just scroll down a little bit and you will find here Bitcoin. Okay, you have to click on deposit and you have to select the network, which is BNB Smart Chain or Bitcoin. So I would like to select this the first one because of the fees, and you have to give you this address. Okay, you have to copy this address from your Binance account and you have to give it to you. Okay, make sure you remember, make sure they tell you the network. So for now we selected BNB Smart Chain. After they copy the address, after they send it to you, then you want to go to your own Binance account and you want to click on wallet and fiat and spot. So after that, guys, what you need to do, guys, next you want to scroll down a little bit and you want to find you just want to find here Bitcoin, and then want to click on withdraw in the action section, withdraw, and you want to paste that address here, so of the person that is trying to receive Bitcoin from you. They have to give you the address. This is the address, and the network you want to select the same network, which is BNB Smart Chain. Yes, I am sure. And here you want to select the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send. Click withdraw. That's it.